I'm working for Azelis UK Limited. We are based in Hertford in the pharma lab. Today I will introduce to you the hydrocolloidal medical cushion. It's a low-cost alternative to 100% silicone cushion. Therefore, we will use circa 95% of water with biogums from Cipicalco. The gel can also be used as an ice pack to relieve pain. So as first ingredient, we will use water with preservative called Charamix MCI from Sharon. We'll then use the xanthan gum called Xantural 180 from Cipicalco and the locust bean gum refined from Cipicalco as well called Genugum type RL200Z. And as it's an ice pack, we can actually use some color. So we will use a lapis jewel pigment. So we're putting the water with the preservative on the heating plate. We'll start to stir slowly while we're adding the heat. So we will heat it up because the end top mixture needs to be heated up to 75 degrees in order to have the gum fully dissolved. First of all, we will add the pigment because when you add the gum, it will gel straight away, so the pigment will not be completely dispersed in the water. So that's why we add the pigment first to have a nice homogeneous color. I think now we have a nice light blue color. So now we will add the locust bean gum. So we add it as the first one because it's harder to dissolve than the xanthan gum. But you had to add it slowly too, to avoid all lumps. So now that the locust bean gum has been added to the solution, we can check if there is some little particle. We still have some, but that's fine because it's not big lumps. So now we will add the xantural into the solution, but slowly too, because as you will see, it will gel really quickly. So as you can see, it starts to gel a bit, so we have to actually speed up the stirring in order to break it a bit. So now we have reached the 75 degrees, so we will stop the stirring and let it rest until it cools down, and then it will make a really nice gel. So now we will let it cool down until it's fully cold, then it will be a completely gel, and we will take it out of the beaker and I will show you that actually is a really nice gel that you can actually cut with a knife. After settling down and cooling down, now you can see we have a really nice gel. So in order to use it, we have to take out all the corner there to be able to take it out of the beaker. So that will be used as either a medical cushion, but with the biogums you can actually have different amount in it, so you can actually choose the firm of the gel you want. So this one is a bit light, but this one will be more for an ice pack, so actually you can actually move around to be under, for example, your shoulder, your ankle or your elbow.